Hi, this is Joe Kempe with the iPod Repair Clinic. I've been fixing iPods since 2003, so I've seen almost every single generation of iPods. A lot of my clients don't want to fix their iPods, but they do want their information. So this video is going to talk about a very unique service that we do called data recovery. A lot of my clients want to take their data and that's off the iPod because they don't have the computer anymore, and they just want to put it on a memory stick that they could put it in their cars or other systems at the house or whatever. But it's a very unique system and unique service that we have. You don't necessarily have to fix the iPod. You don't need to fix the iPod, but what we can do is just take off all the information that you've spent a lot of time and energy and put it on a memory stick. So the best thing to do is and this will work for all iPods. It's going to work for the iPods, classics and touches and videos and all kinds of things. So if you have one and you're considering not fixing it, but just getting the data off of it or stripping it out or just getting a listing of the songs, I'm happy to help you. Just let me know. You can just look me up, iPod Repair Clinic in Los Angeles, and I'm happy to give you an estimate what it would run. All right. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope I can help you in the future.